everyone will think that I'm a creative, and there's nothing wrong in that. But when it comes to the outcome of the source, okay, you have to think from not your perspective, from the people who are watching, the audience's perspective. Wow, this was way better. So today I'm going to give you actually not a lot of technical details, but a little bit suggestion on this starting out stuff, especially when it comes to burnout. See, whenever you're starting out, what happens is that if you're a company, not like a big company, let's take a small company. Okay, let's say for example, I'm a freelancer. Okay, a freelancer of video editing. So when I do video editing, trust me, lots and lots of problems comes. Okay, especially when it comes to communication skills. I mean, like not communication skills in the sense that trying to convey things, but making people understand that what's good for their business, not only from your perspective, but from the customer's perspective. Okay, from the audience perspective, you know what I'm saying. For example, I'm a video editor. Okay, I do some video editing. When client asks me if you do this or do that, I can give them even more of a good model or product. So when I do that, what the client sometimes would say is that okay, it's really amazing, we'll take it. But most of the times it would happen. They would ask us to alternate it and define it under their perspective. There's nothing wrong in that because it's the client and we serve the client, hence we have to do it. Anyways, now I'll give you an example. Now there's a client that I've been working with for the past 5 days, and this is not one single project, a simple one, but it's taking about 5 days to complete it for 5 days, every single 2 hours every day. So what I'm trying to say is that it takes lots and lots of effort to actually understand what the client needs. More importantly, it takes a lot of effort to make them understand that what we have created is good. Because see, when it comes to financials or when it comes to legal policies, means it doesn't require the client's approval kind of stuff, because the client doesn't know what's the legal stuff, so that's why they outsource this, and hence we get it. But when it comes to creativity like video editing or graphic designing, whatever it is, everyone will think that I'm a creative, and there's nothing wrong with that. But when it comes to the outcome of the source, okay, you have to think from not your perspective, from the people who are watching, the audience's perspective. And this isn't easy, okay, because even if you are a greatest creative or great creator of all kind, you should know the tactic of understanding from the audience's perspective. And it won't come easy. For me, it took nearly 1.5 years to understand that situation. So if you're a beginner out there in creatives, just make sure that don't give in too much into any kind of stress. Just take a step back and explain it. Just be honest, okay? Totally be honest. Don't ever lie. Anything. If you don't know it, just say you don't know. You don't take a task that you don't know and sit for later. That's one of the most important stuff. This is just a short video of my experience this week. So I'll just see you guys next week, or maybe whenever I get time to post a video. Alright? See you. Thank you so much. Just remember this. Don't burn out. Alright? Trust me. Definitely ain't worth it. Peace.